ends back on. Yeah, we're starting to head in the right direction. Huh?
I did it all by myself.
He did it all by himself. This guy, man. Anywho, look, front end's going back on. We got progress. We're getting close. I think we're only a few days away. Get this thing painted, done, cleared, and then we're gonna take a week vacation while Thumper puts all the chrome back on this thing by himself. Oh, did you just flip off the camera? Or was that for me?
No.
I seen that.
I'm having
some video.
joint issues because I'm diabetic.
You're having joint issues.
How many times do we gotta go through that?
Still not excited for that chrome.
Get it. Get it.
It's just that horrible.
Yep. Get all the other paint inside there.
Yeah.
Ready to go. Look, cow's nice and shiny. Doing last fitment of everything since we had to modify those so much. Just raw dogging it today, huh?
Raw dogging. Mira.
No water, nothing.
No water, just dry sandpaper. And yeah, just dry dogging it.
Dry dog. Anywho, got this to fix up right here. Got a little spot right there I didn't like. Wet sanded out. This had like a texture or like a bed liner spray or something in it. You can still see it. We couldn't get it all out. We tried sanding it, or Thumper really went to town on sanding this thing, and I meant for him to just kind of scratch it up, prep it, and he like tried sanding it all out. So right here it's pretty smooth, but over here, not so much, but that's okay. It's just underneath. We'll still paint it, clear it, make sure it's good and protected. We got everything in there that needs to be in there now. We seam sealed it, and it's ready to roll. We're going along, we ran into a problem. I marked it right here. That's how far it's off, and we can't deal with it. So we're gonna go ahead and take the fender back off and maybe, yeah, body work it straight. Maybe have to put a slice in it, put it back together, and then body work it and weld it, but we couldn't deal with it.
No, don't let that fly.
Yeah, we were like, man, it's not right.
What's it? That's up.
Yeah, pull them pants up. We don't want to see what's under the hood.
Raw dog. Look at this, look at this.
Come on, raw dog.
I'm raw dogging it.
Hey, look at that. We found an adjustment somehow. Whoa.
That looks a lot better. That took a lot of it out.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
That's the same, almost as the other side.
I can't do much. Oh, sorry. Here, get out here.
Your balls are in my face, he said.
I can't move. I can't shit.
Well, I was hoping to debag you, but
That's gonna be it right there. Look.
Yep. Do that. No. I didn't pull it out.
Oh, well, you didn't say do that.
Sorry,
That's all you got.
Okay. I think that one started. Why are you so close?
Woo, look at that. First bit of color going on the car. With the little baby gunner. A little baby gunner.
All he has is the tip.
That looks really nice, George.
thank you, sir.
Raw dog.
It's a tip, bro.
Doing all the little pieces and stuff today. And then tomorrow we'll get everything finished off. And then the next day, I think we'll paint. So get close. Got Travis Trent on the radio. That's my boy right there. Come on. No. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and clean. I think that's going to look so much better than the chrome that was not really that straight and kind of just stuck in there. So yeah, we got it all seam sealed and everything today, this morning. Yeah, I think that it's going to be a lot better than that chrome that was kind of sticking out weird and being a little different everywhere on the fenders and stuff. George is doing the last touch-ups, and we did the hood because it was coming out of here, so we dug it all out of there. We got her looking mighty fine, George, mighty fine. George is over there working on the car. I've been working on the car. Thumper working on his Harley Davidson.
My genuine piece of garbage.
Oh, don't say that. It's a nice bike.
It is a nice bike, but this is the repetitive cycle. If anybody who owns a Harley knows, this is, you spend more time doing this than you do riding it. Really do.
I'm gonna leave that one alone. I'm not a motorcycle guy, so I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know.
I would not suggest becoming one.
When I was a little kid, my dad was in a very bad motorcycle accident, and I was always told, don't even try it. My mom said she'd kill me. I think tomorrow's the big day. We're gonna get that finished off, make sure that's good, and clean the shop, blow everything down, wash everything, all the way around. And we'll turn the camera back on when we're ready to start spraying, or I guess George is gonna do the paint. He's gonna get everything blended, then give the car a whole paint job, the whole shop, after he gets it all blended in the spots that we need to blend. Then he'll turn it over to me. We'll make sure everything's clean, make sure everything's right, and then we'll clear coat it, let it sit a day or two, and then put all the chrome back on it.
It's out there.
Oh, there it is. Champagne. Oops. Champagne. Let's see, what time is it? 1:27. Diet Coke. If there's a Diet Pepsi or Diet Coke, I'll usually grab a Diet Coke, but if there's a regular Coke and a regular Pepsi, I'll grab a Pepsi. Nope, that's the way I roll.
I cleaned it, but it's
That does not look clean to me.
oh yeah, it is. Mira.
I thought you were the king of clean.
Mira.
Mr.
It's clean. It's clean. I just gotta clean it again before I paint. I'm not gonna.
Now listen to me. Listen real quick.
Yeah.
I have told you in the past, I am one of the world's best bullshitters. And you cannot bullshit a bullshitter.
On that side.
Does that look dirty?
Why is it all yeah, look at that. Look at that on there.
Wow. No.
Let me see it up close.
There it is.
It's got all kinds of cacas on it.
Well, that's why I'm cleaning it. It's gonna be brand new.
That was like 2 weeks ago, bro.
Take my word for it. Brand spanking new. That's what you want to do.
This is where you want to be when Jesus comes back, making fun of me. Everybody
I
thinks
ain't
that I'm mean to you, when really, you're the problem.
Hey,
Everybody thinks that I'm the bully, but I am not.
in my own defense,
Hector, quit being mean to George.
You shut your ass.
You know what's funny? Is Heck purposely puts that he's mean to you on there, not you, so you don't look bad.
Yeah, see, I was trying to make you look good, and then now everybody hates me, thinks I'm mean to my elders.
well, it's because we kind of are mean to each other.
Yeah, but you're meaner.
But yeah, I am kind of
Pretty good.
a joke.
He's a joke.
Justice for George.
The tip goes inside of here, and they take it and put 15,000 pounds of torque on it. Hey, that's not big
That's
enough.
not very much.
No.
You gotta use this one. I got all the wrenchers.
Okay. So you gotta go like this. No, I'm kidding. Just give it a little snug and a half.
Now, George, I realize that you don't have a regulator on there.
I don't
To
need.
everybody that says you have to have a regulator,
Yeah. Okay.
you just do it by feel?
Yeah. I've
Yeah.
never used a regulator ever.
This looks weird. It's for after, it's for after. That's our celebration beers.
I forgot my respirators.
Just kind of blend it a little bit better because what I did is there was primer here and I just kind of paint over it because it saves you more paint. I mean, you can start right off the bat, but then you're gonna leave those areas light.
Right.
So that what I'm trying to do is bring it up to shade and then just
All we're trying to do is fix what was wrong and leave what was good. So that's really all we did with this one. Or, you know, it could have been thousands and thousands of dollars more to sandblast the whole car and start over.
but it didn't need to.
It didn't need it. It didn't. This car was done really nice.
Yeah, we just got color over the primer, and now we're gonna start our paint job. But at least we got color everywhere. It looks good.
So we even got it inside.
Yeah, painted everywhere that we needed to, and it looks pretty good so far. So
I'm
now,
happy. It looks nice and straight.
Yep.
Good
So
job.
we're gonna start.
See,
doing
George does wear a mask. We just don't wear a mask when we're talking, and that's when you guys see us. We always wear a mask.
Well, if they watch your videos, you're always wearing your mask when you're clear.
Yeah.
It's foolish not to do it.
It is.
If you
It is
care
foolish
about your
not to wear it.
And the viewer was right. It is, you know.
Yeah.
It's a safe.
We got chewed on in the comments in the one of the last videos because we didn't have a mask on. But we don't wear them just when we're talking.
And can't argue with common sense.
No.
He's right.
Yeah. No,
Thank
we
you for
100%
that.
should be
Thank you
wearing
for
it.
Yeah.
Thanks for caring.
Yeah.
When I painted equipment, and it was just me. So the whole holding the hose for the other guy thing is not my deal. I apologize. George likes somebody to kind of scoot the hose along for him, which I'm going to try to do, but I'm not good at it because I've never done it. But look at this unit. It looks amazing. George's blends and all the stuff he does is good. Like,
Thank you, man.
100%. No, you do, dude. You do great. There is no color variance, nothing. Ready? George is tack ragging and blowing for me real quick, and then he's gonna split. I pretty much clear alone. Like I said, I've never worked with anybody while I'm painting, so I just kind of turn the music on and go. As you all know, my coats are probably heavier than most.
This is like 6 coats.
Yeah, see?
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. He said my coats are like, they're like double what a normal coat would be.
That's how I spray my clear too.
Yeah. So I really like to get the clear on there, but I've had such good luck doing it, I can't stop. I just can't stop.